This video will go over our TEAS admission requirements, so the admission requirements for our Bachelor of Education programs. So in general, for the Bachelor of Education, you need to have an undergraduate degree or be in your final year of study of your undergraduate degree to apply. We require a minimum 70% average in your best 20 half-year courses. We can take a combination of full year and half-year courses in order to get that total number of courses that we need. Your applications must be submitted by December 1st of 2020, and all your necessary documentation needs to be submitted by December 8th. The documents that we require are listed in your applicant portal. In order to be eligible, you must be graduating by June 30th of 2021 to start in September 2021. If you are applying to our intermediate senior program, we need to be able to see that you are at least registered in the correct courses to meet your teachable requirements, which I'll talk about a little bit later. If you are an international student, we do need you to submit your transcripts to World Education Services for evaluation, and we need that evaluation by the December 8th deadline. So for our primary junior program, primary junior is for kindergarten to grade 6. We are looking for a broad academic background because you will be teaching a wide variety of subjects as a primary junior teacher. We do give preference to applicants that have courses in a variety of subject areas, and these are just some of the ones that we could be looking for. Students that are eligible to apply is any applicant with any undergraduate degree. For our intermediate senior program, the requirements are a little more specific. So we do require that you have 2 teachable subjects. In your first teachable, you need 10 one-semester courses with a minimum 70% average. And in your second teachable, we need 6 courses that are 1 semester in length with a 70% average. The teachable subjects that we offer at Ontario Tech are biology, chemistry, English, general science, health and physical education, history, math, and physics. So generally speaking, if you want a course to count towards a teachable, we're looking for courses that are coded the same as that subject area. So for biology, BIO, where a BIOL course would be a good indication that it can count towards biology. If you have questions about your specific courses, if they can count towards your teachables, you can always email us at futurestudent@ontariotechu.ca. If you're applying with international credentials, if you got your degree from outside of Canada or the United States, then you must have all of your official documents translated if they're not in English and evaluated by World Education Services. They need to do a course-by-course evaluation. So it's up to you to ensure that you get all of your documents sent to us and then have your evaluation completed and sent to us by December 8th. If you have any questions, feel free to email futurestudent@ontariotechu.ca.